Hey, Adam Ward here, the LED guy. And yes, I have an LED obsession, as you can see around me. I picked up one of these a few weeks ago. This is the new Govee COB Strip Light Pro. This thing has some fantastic features to it, including 1,260 LEDs per meter. That's over 400 lumens of light per meter. So in just 2 meters, it can equal a regular LED light. So the first one I put as a strip around my gaming desk, and I bought another one because I want to eliminate the lamps in my room and I want to have a true light for reading. So my wife likes to read books in bed, and this is going to be her new reading lamp. So I can't wait to test it out, put it on the headboard, check it out. Let's open it up. I want to show you what's inside. And what's nice about this is you can cut it to length, okay? So if you don't want to use the full 10 feet, you can cut it every 8 centimeters. And you can have it go warm light, you can have it do cool light, anything in between, plus the bajillion of options that Govee has. But for me, I'm simply using this as a light that will read the book. But I can use Dream View and I can tie it into my TV backlight and my headboard light and create an ambient theme that will match the colors on my TV due to the camera. Reading the lights from the screen, it'll change my room into all of those colors too. So if you want to enhance your bed, if you want to enhance the lighting experience in your bed, get this. And yes, there are romantic settings that you can use for that too. All right, it's Adam up.